Hey everyone, Charles here from Habitech. Today we've got a really exciting video for you. We've got the highly anticipated Storm ISR Fusion receiver. This unit's been touted for well over a year now, and we're really lucky to have one of the first units into the UK. So today we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing video for you and just cover some of the high level points of the receiver. Let's have a look in the box. So first thing I notice as soon as you open this up is we have this very glossy quick start guide on the top. Now, what I'm not going to do is flip through this on the camera for you, but I can tell you that of all the quick start guides we see in our industry, this is definitely one of the better ones. There's loads of really good information in here, from the specs to the unit, lots of QR codes to take you to relevant information as well, so this doesn't become an encyclopedia. But everything you need to know about initial setup of the unit, from plugging it in to accessing the web interface from the first time, is all in the quick start guide. So I'm not going to make you watch me unbox this, so with a little bit of camera magic, we're going to get this out of the box. There we go. First thing to note with the Storm ISR Fusion is that it comes with the rack ears tucked away in the box. The ISR Fusion is really a culmination of Storm's pedigree in high-end audio processing, as well as their incredibly robust and high-quality power amplifiers. So this unit actually has 16 channels of onboard amplification delivered by ICE power modules. That gives us 150 watt continuous delivered across all 16 channels. Now, there are going to be some applications out there where maybe you'd like to bridge or double the power to the front 3, our LCR channel, and you are able to do that on the unit. So we can take our 6 channels down to 3, and we're able to power the LCR speakers with a 500 watt continuous load. Continuing on the theme of audio, we do have immersive onboard processing formats you'll be really familiar with: Auro 3D version 2, DTS:X Pro, Dolby Atmos, and IMAX Enhanced. The video I/O of this unit is fully HDMI 2.1 compliant. The reason that Storm were late to the party with this wasn't because they were behind in technology. It was that they didn't firmly believe that the implementation of HDMI 2.1 on their hardware was robust and reliable enough. Many other manufacturers have been caught out by this, and HDMI at the moment is causing huge headaches in the world of audio and video processing. Storm Audio have a really strong partnership with Dirac, and their implementation of Dirac across their whole product portfolio is no different with the ISR Fusion. In fact, this unit is one of the first to ship with Dirac Live Active Room Treatment, and this is something unique to Storm Audio. Active Room Treatment calibrates your speakers as a system and uses each speaker's strengths to reduce room decay time, efficiently cancelling out lingering bass and leading to an unmatched system clarity. So the long wait for the ISR Fusion 20 is finally over. If you're as excited as we are about this project, I'd urge you to come down to our showroom here in Basingstoke at Habitech, and you can hear this system for yourself. This unit will be in our M&K Sound Theatre here at Basingstoke. The speaker configuration in that room is a 742, and we will also be implementing Dirac Active Room Treatment as well, so you can hear the differences for yourself. That's it for this unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching. We're planning on making a lot more of these videos in the future for Storm Audio products and the rest of the Habitech product portfolio. Please give us a like and a subscribe. Any questions, please put them in the comments below, and it'd be great to be in touch.